Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Got a special treat for you. I mean, I know we never ever look at knife reviews, right? I'll pause for your laughter and, the wonderful comments I'm sure I'm going to get down below. But, I saw this one from Kershaw, and I wanted to bring it to the channel. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to take a look at it. Okay guys, thank you so much for sticking with me. As you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at the Kershaw 1302 BWX Lifter. I thought it was quite interesting when I saw it sitting up on a rack and went, I gotta bring this guy to the channel. But there it is. I really like the look of it. It just, something about it said, go on and buy me. I don't know if it's the weird Tonto recurve blade down here. I don't know if it's what looks like the machine parts through here. It looks like a beautiful blade to me. Now, as we usually do, let's go and get into those stats. It's got an overall length of about 7.9 inches, so yeah, it is pretty friggin' huge. Closed, it's about 4.5 inches, and the blade is about 3.5 inches. It's got a big time weight to it of 5.8 ounces, so when you're carrying this, you're holding on to a blade. Now, the blade steel, and I thought this was interesting because this is the first one like it I've had on the channel, is 4CR14. And it's black oxide coated black wash finish. So it gives it that really, as you can see, just interesting look overall. Now, the handle, it's stainless steel, which I thought, okay, that's kind of a letdown. And it's got a black wash finish on the handle. Now, it does have their patented speed-safe opening technology. As you saw, you can do it by the flipper, or you've got the dual thumb studs. Frame lock. Now, it has just a one-position pocket clip, which is tip-down carry. But yeah, this thing is just... it's beefy, it's a beast, and I like it. I think it's one of the biggest Kershaw blades for a folder that we've had on the channel. Now, over on Kershaw's website, this is going to run you $29.99. On Amazon's website, it's $18.71. And I found it locally at Dick's Sporting Goods, where I picked it up for $24.99. It's got a 5 out of 5 rating on Kershaw's website with 25 reviews. Everybody seems to just freaking love this blade. And you know what? After playing around with it for a little while, I get it. I get why. And over on Amazon, it's got a 4.4 out of 5-star rating with 396 reviews. So this blade's been out there for a while. I just wanted to bring it to the channel because, like I said, I saw this and I was sold. And then when I saw, the black wash finish look right here on this blade, I thought it was beautiful. But, I want to know what you think. As usual, please leave your questions, comments, whatever, right down below. If you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for spending a moment of your day with me. And over here, you're going to see a little symbol popping up. That's going to be my company logo. Go ahead, click on that. That's going to take you right to subscribe. After you've subscribed, please make sure you click on that bell icon. That way it's going to notify you every single time I upload a video. Now, speaking of videos, you're going to see 2 of them popping up right over here. Those are going to be for my catalog of videos that YouTube is going to select for you that they think is going to be a very good viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The Kershaw Lifter. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.